How do you sum based on categories in Google Sheets? We can add a little more to this schedule using the SumIf formula. We are going to use two categories, make and sell. It's important as we are creating transactions that we use these two words only. So don't use sold or produced, for example. But in cell H3, let's work this formula. Type in equals SumIf, open parentheses, G7, colon, G33, comma, G3, comma, H7, colon, H33. Now you can see the formula adds only the values that relate to the word make. G7 to G33 is the column that we want to look at. G3 is what we are looking for. H7 to H33 is what we want to sum. We'll type in similar for sell, and that is how you use the SumIf formula. Now you can see we made 5 and sold 6. What's great is, because this sheet is so simple, we can copy and paste these 4 cells to the other 6 parts. Let's continue to add transactions to show you how this works. As we add inventory transactions, the totals all follow as needed. The real benefit is that you can work this on your phone as well. And to continue learning Google Sheets for your small business, watch this video next.